Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and stories. So right now, for example, I'm going to click on a conversations here in this chats section, for example, this one. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. Then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, once you're here in this page, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find privacy and support. Here under privacy and support, you're going to find read receipts, verify end-to-end encryption, disappear messages, restrict, block, or report. So we're going to click on verify end-to-end encryption. And then once you're here, you can verify your end-to-end encryption from here. So basically guys, if you want to totally remove the conversation, just go back right here to the chats section. And if you want to remove it, just go ahead and click on it. Then right here, you're going to find archive, delete, mute, open chat head, mark as unread, restrict, and lastly block. So if you want to delete it, just go ahead and click on delete it. And then right here, you're going to find this message saying, are you sure about deleting all chat history? This will delete your entire conversation, not just recent and end-to-end encrypted messages. So if you are sure about deleting it, go ahead and click on delete, and then the conversation will be removed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.